Usually, by the time we feel like having soup for dinner, it's too late, since most soups take hours to cook. But you don't have to worry about that with the Scandinavian-inspired soup that we're making today. It's done in less than 30 minutes, from the moment you walk into the kitchen until you're ladling it up. Let me show you how it's done. We start by sauteing a good amount of chopped cabbage in some butter, along with some chopped onion, celery, and thinly sliced carrots. Once everything is tender, which only takes about 10 minutes, we add a can of cream-style corn, frozen peas, some milk, chicken broth, and lots of off-the-shelf spices. And we let it simmer for about 15 minutes. And then right before serving, we stir in some shredded cheddar cheese, and that's it. Now, if you want to lighten this up, you can use olive oil instead of butter or a reduced fat cheddar. There you have it, a hot and hearty soup that's ready to serve in no time at all. And the taste is truly amazing. So what are you waiting for? To get the recipe for what we call Scandinavian cabbage soup, head over to our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a warm-me-up way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.